Dear friend, today I will show you how to set the Blender path for any animated text at openshot video editing software. At first we have to click Edit to Preference. Then a window will come. There I have to set the path. And this Blender is necessary for creation of intro purpose video. So in red color showing the Blender path. Now we have to set the not set, actually browse the path. So to do that we will click on the browse button. A explorer window will come. We'll set the specific path, and that will be the path where we install the Blender. So we'll go through the C:, then program files, then select the installation folder. From that I will select the executable Blender path. So now it will show you the details of the path at Blender path. So after that we'll fetch a animated text. From title to animated text, select any specific style and customize it by its file name, title. If we change the title, then that text will come, and others attribute, and after setting we will preview it and fetch it to the specific track. Now we can preview it. And if necessary we can customize it again, and we can change its other attributes by slow, fast, different types of properties. Now add another effect with it. We'll here inserting a wave filter to this animated text. After inserting, we can see it, what is the effect actually. So we can make our intro, and finally with other file we can export it. Thanks for watching.